A single human sneeze can outpace a car on the highway at over 100 miles per hour, creating a microscopic journey that could reach your face in seconds. Imagine the sheer force behind each sneeze, propelling thousands of tiny droplets through the air, each potentially carrying germs on a mission. In just a blink, these droplets can travel up to 27 feet, turning the invisible into an unstoppable wave of motion. This everyday phenomenon is a powerful reminder of how our bodies can create forces that rival those of machines, with each sneeze becoming a high-speed spectacle of nature's design. The next time someone sneezes nearby, consider the incredible speed and distance of this natural reaction, as it transforms a simple reflex into a fascinating airborne adventure.